Morning student, today we will start new chapter number 6, number play. Okay, the number aren't just for counting, they can represent relationship and follow the specific rule. कोई भी जो नंबर रहते हैं उसमें रिलेशनशिप रहती है, एक दूसरे में सम हम करते हैं, एडिशन करते हैं, सब्ट्रैक्शन करते हैं, मल्टीप्लिकेशन, डिवीजन, और उसमें स्पेसिफिक रूल फॉलो होता है. ओके, नंबर सीक्वेंसेस वी गेट. तो ये जो फर्स्ट पेज है, I will explain in class. Okay, so you have to skip this page today. Today we will start from parity. Okay, so first we will see what is mean by parity. Page number 129. So parity means the property of a number that tells us if it is even or odd. तो even number और odd number, parity हमें ये प्रॉपर्टी है नंबर की, और वो हमें ऐसे हमें पता चलता है कि आने वाला नंबर्स इवन होगा कि ऑड होगा. तो इवन नंबर्स वी ऑलरेडी नो दैट इवन नंबर्स ऑलवेज इन पेयर विदाउट एनी लेफ्ट ओवर. सपोज यू हैव टू टेक, यू ऑलरेडी नो दैट इवन नंबर्स आर 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, okay, 12 and so on. So these are the even numbers, and even number always in pair. Suppose you have to represent pictorial representation. Suppose you have to take a 2 dots. Okay, this is we get one pair. Suppose your number is 4, so we get how many pairs? 1, 2, 3, 4. Means here we get 2 pairs, and if any here is without any left over, कोई भी नंबर एक्स्ट्रा नहीं है, कोई भी डॉट एक्स्ट्रा नहीं है, मीन्स वी गेट अ परफेक्ट पेयर. सपोज यू हैव टू टेक अ 10 डॉट 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. तो हियर वी गेट हाउ मेनी पेयर? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 पेयर विदाउट एनी लेफ्ट ओवर. तो दिस नंबर्स कॉल्ड इवन नंबर. इसमें कोई भी लेफ्ट ओवर नहीं रहेगा, ऑल द नंबर इन पेयर. बट सेम वे, सपोज यू हैव टू फाइंड द ऑड नंबर्स, एंड what is meant by odd numbers here? Now odd numbers cannot be arranged in pair. Okay, and इसमें कोई ना कोई, the odd number is one more than the collection of pair. One more than collection of a pair, मतलब एक आपके पास एक्स्ट्रा ही रहेगा. सपोज आपके नंबर्स आर, विच आर द नंबर? odd number start from 1. Okay, तो write here 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. These are the odd number, we already know that. Suppose you have to arrange the 1 here is no pair, but 3, 1, 2, 3. So here we get one pair and one number is one dot is left over. Okay, means here this dot is left over. Suppose you have to arrange 5. How to arrange 5? 1, 2, 3, 4 and this one dot left over. Means we get here only 2 pair but one extra. 20 के लिए तो कोई पेयर ही नहीं है. तो ऑड नंबर जो रहते हैं उसमें पेयर नहीं रहेगी. एक नंबर, एक डॉट, कोई भी डॉट होगा वो एक्स्ट्रा ही रहेगा. एनी नंबर यू हैव टू टेक. सपोज यू हैव टू टेक अ 9, तो वी गेट हाउ मेनी पेयर? 4 पेयर. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 एंड वन डॉट, one is left over. Means we get total 4 pair and one is extra. Suppose same way, suppose you have to find the pair in 51. How many pair we get in 51? So you have to 50 plus 1. So 50 is the even number. How many pair? 25 to the 50. So 25 complete pair and one dot is left over. So in this way odd number cannot be arranged in pair. So these numbers called odd number. जिसमें left over रहता है वो number को हम odd number बोलते हैं. So now you have to see parity of sum means first you have to find the parity of sum. Means you have to take suppose even numbers. Okay, sum of even number. So always remember sum of even numbers. Sum of even number, this is even number plus even number, we get again even number. How to explain here? Suppose you have to take a 2 is a even number and 4 you have to take next number is 4. So 2 plus 4 we get again 6. Means your answer again even number plus even number, again we get even number. Suppose you have to take a 100 plus 200 and both are even numbers. So sorry, 100 plus 100 plus 200, again we get 300 again even numbers. Means when you have to add any two even number, we get even number again. You have to check yourself. Okay, you have to take any two even numbers and check your answer. We get again even numbers. This is parity again. Now parity for odd numbers. Okay, see here, parity of sum for odd numbers. Suppose you have to add two odd numbers. Okay, so what is your answer? Now you have to find. Suppose you have to take one odd number is 3 and second odd number is 5. What is your answer? 8. But 8 is even number. Next example, suppose you have to take 11 plus 13. What is your answer? 24. Means again we get even number. So means when you have to add two odd number, your answer always even number. Means what is the parity of sum for odd number? When you have to add any two odd number, your answer always even number. Okay, this is the second priority of sum. First even numbers, when you have to add even number we get again even number. Odd number, when you have to add two odd number we get again even number. Now third priority you have to see here. Suppose you have to take one odd number and one even number. What is your answer? So check, you have to check here. Suppose one number is 5 and second even number is 4. Means your answer is 9. Means your answer we get odd number. Okay, suppose next number you have to change 3 plus 2. What is your answer? 5, odd number. 11 plus, you have to take next even number 12. Okay, so again see here, what is your answer? 23, odd number. Means when you have to add one odd number and one even number, your answer always be odd numbers. Means what is the parity of sum? What are the three rules? When you have to add two even numbers, we get again even numbers. Okay, and when you have to add two odd number, again your answer is even number. And when you have to add one odd number and one even number, again your answer is odd number. These are the three rules. Okay, this is for the two numbers. This for two numbers. Okay, now suppose you have to take odd numbers. Okay, even number no problem. How many even numbers? Suppose you have to take more than 3 even numbers. For example, suppose you have to take 2 plus 4 plus 6. What is your answer? 12. Means we get 12. 12 is the answer is 12 even number. मतलब आप कितने भी even number add करोगे तो आपका answer always even number ही आएगा. लेकिन when you have to add odd number more than 2, अभी मैंने this is for even number. अभी odd number के लिए हम चेक करते हैं. ओके, odd number suppose आपने 2 से ज़्यादा लिए, मतलब आपने odd number 1 plus 3 plus 5. These are 3 are odd number. But what is your answer now? 4 plus 5, 9. Means your answer is odd number. Okay. But when the numbers more than 3, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. What is your answer? 9 plus 7, 16. Even number. Then again one more example. Suppose you have to take 3 plus 11 plus 9, 23, odd number. Suppose next number 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. Okay. So what is your answer? 36. Okay. So means you have to see here. What is your answer? When you have to add odd number of time. Odd number of time मतलब odd 3 times आपने ऐड किए तो आपका आंसर ऑड नंबर आ रहा है. वेन यू हैव टू ऐड ऑड नंबर इवन नंबर ऑफ टाइम. इवन नंबर मतलब 1, 2, 3, 4 number of time. What is your answer? Even number. And when you have to add again, see here, check here, 1, 2, 3 times. ऑड नंबर 3 टाइम्स मैंने ऑड नंबर को ऐड किया. मेरा आंसर क्या आ रहा है? अगेन ऑड नंबर. एंड वेन यू हैव टू ऐड ऑड नंबर 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 टाइम्स. 6 टाइम्स मतलब इवन नंबर ऑफ टाइम. ओके, इवन नंबर ऑफ टाइम वेन यू हैव टू ऐड योर आंसर इज अगेन इवन नंबर्स. मतलब ऑड नंबर के लिए अगेन कौन सी प्रॉपर्टी है? वेन यू हैव टू ऐड odd number of times, your answer is odd number. And when you have to add odd number, even number of times, your answer is even number. This is one more property. Now next property, sum of the two consecutive numbers. Consecutive number means जो number एक के बाद एक आते, like 1 after 1 which number is next? 2. After 2 next number is 3. So here you have to find the sum of two consecutive numbers. Suppose you have to take number, your number is 50 and next number is 51. Okay, these are the two consecutive number. What is your answer? 101. Suppose again you have to take next example, 25 plus 26. These are the two consecutive numbers. What is your answer? 51. Next, one more example, 78 plus 79. These are the two consecutive number. What is the sum of these two consecutive number? 157. Means your answer always be odd numbers. These are odd numbers. So today we see how many properties, sum of parity for even number, odd number and two consecutive number. So what is the parity? When you have to add sum to even numbers, you are always even number. यहाँ पे कोई भी कंडीशन नहीं है, कितने भी इवन नंबर आप ऐड करोगे तो आपका आंसर ऑलवेज इवन ही आएगा. ऑड नंबर, व्हेन यू हैव टू ऐड टू ऑड नंबर तो वी गेट आंसर इज इवन नंबर. ओके, मीन्स इवन नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स when you have to add odd numbers, so your answer always even number. But when you have to add odd number of times, means 3 times, 5 times, 7 times, odd number of times, your answer always be in odd number. And sum of two consecutive numbers. Okay, sum of two consecutive number, तो इसमें भी एक नंबर ऑड आएगा, एक नंबर इवन आएगा. मीन्स 25 सपोज इज ऑड नंबर एंड नेक्स्ट consecutive number is 26. दिस इज इवन नंबर, मीन्स ऑड इवन और इवन ऑड. तो your answer always be odd number. On this basis you have to solve the page number 131. Figure it out in your textbook. Okay, no need to write this question in your notebook. I will explain in the class how to solve this exercise, but you have to try to solve this question in your textbook only. Thank you.